Spend a Saturday with me as a mom of two sets of twins. We started the day by driving 30 minutes past the amusement park so that we could buy some plates that my friend showed on her TikTok. And why do I feel like everybody's Target dollar spot is better than my Target dollar spot? Is it just me? After we got 8 pasta bowls and 8 cereal bowls, we were headed off to King's Dominion, which is an amusement park we go to every single week. And y'all, everybody needs to use sunscreen. Just because you're brown doesn't mean you don't need to use sunscreen. I make sure everybody is fully covered in sunscreen. See, this is what it's like when you have two sets of twins a year apart. Yeah, it was dancing for you. I asked Tita to hold the camera and record it. My man is doing whatever he's doing over there leaning against the car. Let's just say this was a bad idea. Y'all, when I tell you it was at this point I realized that I really messed up. I mean, like rethinking some major life decisions at this point.
Mom looked like she was crying, man.
Mama was screaming on the ride because Mama was scared. So Mama was screaming on the ride because she was screaming.
At this point, I need to do something a little less adventurous and just head over to Snoopy Town. So we switched off kids, and he took Tita to go on the scary ride. I have now learned my lesson, and I will not be riding anything unless it's in Snoopy Town. So while they're on this slingshot of a ride, the girls are in the Wonderfold eating their lunch. I bring lunch because I am not paying $17 for 4 tenders. We ended our day by going to our new favorite restaurant, homemade Italian food. Honestly, y'all, the food was so delicious, we literally went back the next day for lunch.